Hi guys, today's our topic is electrical timer. It is simply a device. We can use this device for the operation of an electrical equipment. Okay, and it is based on the preset time schedule. We can set a time in this device. Okay, and it automatically switches the devices on or off after a certain time interval. The time interval may be few minutes or maybe few hours per day, or even we can set several days in a week. The first type is analog timer. Okay, analog timer. We can also say it as a mechanical timer. In this one, we can see a dial. Okay, in the dial, and we can see pins pointing to the different time. Okay, and we can use this in the water heater and in lights, and we could see it in the irrigation system control panel also. Okay, you know the irrigation system. According to the time interval, we can switch on or off the solenoid valve of the irrigation system. For that we could use this analog like timer. Okay, and next one, the second one is digital timer. Okay, digital timer. This digital timer has an LCD display. Okay, in that LCD display we can set the time, we can program as our wish, and actually this digital timer offers high accuracy. Okay, and also very flexibility, because we have LCD display, so it has higher flexibility. We can use in a very efficient way by seeing the display, and we can use it in our HVAC systems and also in industrial control system like that. Okay, and the third one is the programmable timer. Okay, programmable timer. With the help of this programmable timer, you can set your timer for daily or weekly basis. Okay, and we could use this in normally building automation system. And the next one is the delay timer. You might be heard about this delay timer if you are working in the building control systems. With the help of this delay timer, as the name indicates, we can delay the on or off of a machine. Okay, there are off delay timer and on delay timer. Just like that, many other timers are available in the market. Okay, if you are using the off delay timer, then after a specific time interval the machine will be switched off. And another one is on delay. In this one, it delays the switching on off of a machine. It means that after a specific time interval your machine will get starts. We could use this delay timer in motors and in pumps, fans, like that. And now I want to talk about the applications of these timers. The first application is the lighting control system. Okay, lighting control system. Lighting control system, we could simply say it as LCS system. In buildings, in homes, we could see these lighting control systems. With the help of this system, we can switching on our garden lights, street lights, like that. It is the first one. And the second application is heating system. Okay, heating system. And the next one is the industrial automation. The application is industrial automation. Okay, I mean for the sequencing of your machine, at what time your machine need to be start up and switch off, like that. And the next one is the home appliances. For the home appliances, we could use this one. For example, the timer you can use for the ovens and also for the washing machine, like that. And the next one is the energy saving application. Okay, I mean, if you have a timer in your home, okay, and after a specific time, if you want to switch off some lights of your building, or if you want to turn off your equipment, then actually through that way you are saving your energy. I hope you got some basic understanding about the electrical timers. If you want to have more deep information like this, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.